Hello and welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, our mission is to empower you to harness the power of design to create unparalleled user experiences. We're incredibly excited to launch our new series, Mastering UX Design, The Beginner's Guide. In the late 20th century, UX design emerged as a game changer in the digital world, initially focusing on user-friendly interfaces. The term user experience is now expanded beyond usability to include emotional and aesthetic aspects. UX, or user experience, involves a variety of aspects. It's about usability, accessibility, functionality, aesthetics, and the emotional response. UX design is the practice of creating products that provide value, are easy and enjoyable to use, and elicit positive emotional responses.
Boo!
Now, you may ask, why is UX so crucial? The answer lies in its direct impact on the success of products, systems, and services. The UX design process is all about continuous iteration and improvement. At the core of this process is understanding the user, their behaviours, needs, and preferences. This understanding informs the design of interfaces that are intuitive and user-friendly. But UX design goes beyond just creating interfaces, it's a strategic process. And that wraps up our introduction to UX design. Be sure to join us for the next video in this series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and please do subscribe to our channel for more in-depth UX design and IT content. Until next time, remember, great design is all about creating fantastic experiences.